This makeup tip changed my makeup game completely. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yewande Lawal. I'm a pro makeup artist based in New York. Today I'm bringing you this updated makeup tutorial, and I want to share this here because I love to teach someone how to do makeup. So grab your makeup kits and let's get into it. First, I cleaned her face using a micellar water. Then I went in with a facial spray to hydrate her skin. For more moisture, I am using the Embryolise moisturizer, and I am applying this all over her face just to keep her skin hydrated, because a perfect skin prep is the secret, or one of the secrets to a perfect babes. To prime our face, I'm using the Milk Hydro Grey Primer, and this is to keep our makeup in place all day. Next up, for foundation, I'm using the Makeup Forever HD foundation and the Loreal Truematch foundation. I'm mixing this together to get our exact shade. For foundation, I use less product, at least 2 pumps, and I apply this on the brush or a beauty blender, then swatch behind my hand to take out the excess product. Remember, less is more. Then I tap and blend to build coverage evenly. As you can see, I'm using a brush and beauty blender just to ensure that I get that flawless finish, guys. This is very important. Take your time to apply your foundation or to blend properly. Next, I'm applying contour below our cheekbone, our forehead, our jawline, and the bridge of our nose, and this is to add more definition to our face. If you want to achieve that slim face and you want to add definition to the face, then you definitely need to contour. Contouring is not compulsory for everyone, but like I said, if you have a look that you're trying to achieve, or you want to ensure that your client's face looks slimmer, then you definitely need to contour. And as you can see, I'm just blending the contour in place using a brush. You can use a beauty blender, whatever works for you is definitely fine. Also guys, all the products that I use today will be listed below. One makeup tip that completely changed my makeup game is how I apply my concealer. Yes guys, and I know that you guys would like to know how I do that, right? Okay, so let me share it with you guys. First, you apply concealer on the areas you want to brighten. Then let it dry down for at least a minute or two. You heard me right guys, a minute or two before blending. This way you get more coverage, and when you're blending guys, you want to ensure that you just tap the concealer into the skin gently. You can use a brush, you can use a beauty blender, but what I realize is when you use a brush you have more coverage as to when you use a beauty blender. But like I said, whatever works for you is fine. All that matters is that you blend in place properly. In this case, I use a beauty blender and a brush. To add more color to the face and also to lift the face up, I am using the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blush, and I'm using a beauty blender to apply this to get that seamless finish. To set my concealer in place, the first thing I always do is use a compact powder. Today I'm using the Makeup Forever matte powder, and I'm applying it all over the places where I have concealer before I go in with a loose setting powder. Guys, this works magic. To bronze up her face, I'm using the Juvias Place bronze palette. Yeah, I believe it's called bronzed palette, and I just applied this on her face. To set the rest of her face, I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and then I went in with the Morphe continuous setting spray to melt all the products together. Then I went in with a loose setting powder to bake our under eye area, guys. For the eyes, I wanted to create something very colorful. I mean, it's summer, so why don't we play with colors? So I went into primer eyelid using an eyeshadow primer, which is from Ben 9. Then I went in with my Juvia's Place coffee brown palette, I think, and I'm just applying the brown shades as my transition. I actually mixed like 2 to 3 brown shades to achieve this transition color and to also create that smoky eye that I really want. To create that bold sky blue look, I am using the NYx matte color fix, and I'm just applying this over a lid. This is a liquid product, but it dries perfectly, and I'm just applying this on a lid, like I said, to achieve that perfect, bold, gorgeous blue. And that's it for the eyes, guys. Then I went in with my blush to add more color to the face. If you know me too well, you know that I love blushes. Like, I just feel like a look without a blush just doesn't work. And then next up, I am applying a black liner into a waterline. Then I also went into filling my brows using the Maybelline Build a Brow pencil. You can check it out. Then I also highlighted our brows. For the lip, I'm going in to line a lip with a brown pencil. Today I'm using the Wet n Wild brow pencil. Actually, this pencil is about $1, and yes, it does the work for me. And then for lipstick, I am going in with the Anastasia Beverly lipstick, matte lipstick, actually, to create that very soft nude. If you made it to this point, that means I'm doing something right. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, turn on the notification to know when I drop new videos, guys. Then I went ahead to add some gloss to this look because I really wanted a glossy lip, guys. This is the finished look, guys. Just look at this beautiful dark beauty. Look at this chocolate beauty. Guys, I enjoyed creating this video, and if you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed creating this video, then please make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. I want to know what you guys think about this look. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.